Dr. Mohita Sharma.
And I'm Dr. Prerna Mata. Today for the first time I'm sitting on patient's chair and I want to know from the expert how LASIK feels like. So today we're going to be discussing, Dr. Mohita, top 10 questions which patients ask us every day about LASIK.
Yeah, so today Dr. Prerna decided to be a patient and feel how it is to be a patient, and she'll be asking me some questions which I'll answer.
So my first question, like as my patient enters, is what is LASIK, doctor?
So LASIK is a procedure which we do with laser. With the laser, we do an ablation of the cornea. Cornea simply means the black portion of the eye, and that is the round black portion which we reshape. When we reshape, we remove the power, and that is how you get rid of your spectacles.
That sounds very simple though. Is it as simple as it sounds?
Yes, of course it is simple. It is just a 10 minutes procedure for both eyes, and we numb your cornea so you do not feel any pain, and immediately after the procedure you'll see a little blurred, but the next day you would say, wow, I can see without glasses.
So Dr. Mohita, my second question is, does LASIK hurt?
Oh, that's a very common question, and that's the biggest fear everybody has in their mind, because of which they do not get rid of their glasses, which they can. So here I want to say that it's a painless procedure. We put some drops in your eye which numb your eye, and since your eyes are numb, you do not feel the pain, though you feel some pressure because we are using some instruments. So there is some pressure sensation, there is a touch sensation, but no pain at all.
That's excellent news. I never knew that.
So now you are more motivated to get the LASIK done?
Absolutely. Okay. Dr. Mohita, I want to know, can LASIK be done for all the powers?
Yes, it can be done for almost all powers, at least up to -8 or -9. We have done eyes with -9 and -10 diopters also. But if your power is higher than that, then we have another procedure called phakic lenses to make you get rid of your glasses. So it will all depend upon how much your power is, and we do a pre-operative assessment in which we check as to what is your cornea like, how much is your cornea thick. If your cornea is thick, probably we can treat a higher power. If your cornea is thin, we may need to treat you with something else.
So Dr. Mohita, my fourth question is, will LASIK last a lifetime?
Once we do a LASIK procedure for you, it is meant for lifetime, because once we do the procedure, we also check if your power has been stable for some time or not, and it's only when your power is stable for at least last 1 year, we know that there won't be any changes in the eyeball, and then only we do the procedure and reshape your cornea. In a very small number of cases, there may be some power which may come in the next few years. That's a very, very small number, and if it does, we always have the option of a redo or a touch-up procedure.
Right. That sounds good. Now, question number 5 is, what are the side effects of LASIK? Because that is what worries everyone before getting into any kind of procedure.
So there are no major side effects. You may have heard of minor side effects, like there may be some dry eye, there can be some starbursts, there can be some halos around the light, and all these side effects are just temporary side effects. That is, within a few weeks they'll disappear and you would see nice and clear. In fact, you would see nice and clear from the next day onwards, but these minor side effects may disturb you for a few weeks, and after that it would be a normal vision.
So question number 6, what are different types of LASIK? What would you suggest for me personally?
Okay, you may have heard of many different type of LASIK procedures. There are several names that are floating in the market, and a lot of patients like you come to us and ask us which type of procedure should I undergo. So what we do is one of the latest and the best technology in the world, which is called Xioptics. Okay. Xioptics, if I tell you in common words, is nothing but high definition vision. You've seen the HD screens on the TV?
Right.
Yeah, so it's a similar kind of a thing, which means that you would see a vision which would be a high definition vision, a very, very clear and sharp vision. Now, the advantage of this vision is that you would, suppose, imagine a point of light at night. You would see it as a point of light and not fuzzy. There are many other technologies which are there in the market, but none of those technologies corrects what is called all types of aberrations in the eye, and these aberrations are responsible for a person not having a high definition vision. Xioptics is the only technology which will correct all types of aberrations in the eye, resulting in a very, very clear and sharp vision with a very good contrast.
So that's
the one which is for you.
Wow effect next
Yes.
in the morning?
Yes, that will give you the wow effect, not just in the morning, but at night when you're driving also.
Oh, that's great. That's great. I'm getting more and more convinced.
Great.
And now my question number 7. You're doing my procedure, and what if I move my eye?
Okay, so this is a very, very advanced and sophisticated machine which is helping me do your procedure.
Right.
And the technology that we use is called Tineo, which is from Bausch & Lomb company. Now, this technology has something called an eye tracker, which will track your eye. So if there are minor movements in your eye, it'll follow your eye. But if there is any major movement in your eye, the laser will actually stop. So you need not be worried about what will happen if I move my eye. Will the laser fire at the wrong place? No, it will not.
Okay, that sounds very interesting. So my question number 8, I'm totally convinced. Now I want to know from Dr. Mohita, what is the cost of this procedure?
Okay, the cost is very variable because when we check your eye, we decide as to what would be the right procedure for you, because there are 3 to 4 type of procedures from which we choose.
Right.
So cost can vary anything from 30,000 to a lakh rupees, and this is for both eyes. So I think that's it.
Yeah, I think that sounds good. Now my question number 9 is, can I go blind? Because that's the fear of every single person
So that's-
who's
yeah.
going through a procedure.
Very right. So that's in fact the first question that people ask, which you asked as a 9th question. No, you cannot go blind. We have done thousands and thousands of procedures, and in no case have we seen anybody go blind. But yes, there are some reported cases where people have lost their vision in very, very rare cases, and that may be because of some infection happening in the eye. But with the current type of technologies, the current type of sterility procedures that we follow, we have not seen any case who lost their vision. So you cannot go blind.
That's great. That sounds very reassuring. And my last and 10th question, when can I start work after I get LASIK?
You can start from next day onwards. All your daily routine work you can start, and but you have to follow 2 precautions. One is do not rub your eye, and the second is don't put direct splashes of water on your eye. These are 2 simple precautions which we tell you for around 2 to 3 weeks, and we give you some eye drops to be put for 4 to 6 weeks, and that's it.
And then I'm done? I can
Yes,
join
it's a daycare procedure. You come for about an hour. It's a 10 minutes procedure. We do it and immediately send you back, and you join your work next day.
And I can start driving right away?
Yes, you can. From the next day. From the next day.
That's excellent. I think I'm pretty convinced I should go in for the procedure, and with an expert, I think there is no doubt I should get it done today itself. Thank you, Dr. Mohita.
So friends, this was all about LASIK. Hope all your queries got answered with the 10 questions that Dr. Prerna just asked us. If you still have any query, then you can contact me, Dr. Mohita Sharma. My description is given below. So friends, hope you liked our video. Do like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is Dr. Mohita Sharma.
And Dr. Prerna Mata signing off.
Bye bye and see you.